What's going on, YouTube? This is Etor86. It is a rainy day. It has been like this in Florida for about 2 weeks now. It's nice, it's windy, it makes you just want to be outside and just enjoy the rain and, you know. But then after it rains, it's all fucking downhill from there. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, how y'all doing? I went to work today and it was the most hideous day I've ever had. I had one manager come up to me and say, "Hey, can you do this for me?" I said, "Sure, no problem." Another manager comes up to me and says, "Hey, buddy, can you get this done for me? I'd greatly appreciate it." I said, "Yeah, I'm already on it. Thank you." Granted, I have 6 managers, right? So another manager comes up to me and says the exact same thing. And to this point, I feel like going in the back room and just saying, "Hey, shut the fuck up!" So, thank God that I have a King Cobra, ladies and gentlemen. Went down to the store. It's not a 40 ounce, it's a 32 ounce. But at this point, I don't care. Just let you enjoy the view. You're probably hearing a lot of wind right now. Let me let you enjoy the view. See if you can see the sky. Yep, the trees blowing. Oh yeah, you can just tell what kind of day this is like out here. It's perfect. There is no harm, no foul. You got people walking their dogs and all that stuff. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to drink some King Cobra. It is time to get it down your fucking Gregory as fast as possible. And that's what we're gonna do. Let me set this bitch down real quick. King Cobra, ladies and gentlemen, on a nice day. Got the crack, got the drop. Let's actually head out back, see what's going on out there. King Cobra. Oh. Tree. Yeah, check this out. Look at this wind. It's crazy. But anyways, enough about me, enough about the wind, enough about everything else. Let's just try to get this down our fucking Gregory as fast as possible. Cheers. Shout out to Gummy Man 02. Girl, the last video that I seen you do was awesome. I really looked at it and could relate a lot to it. So shout out to you. Shout out to Huffy72, Rugby721. Thanks for getting a hold of me on Facebook, buddy. Both y'all. Appreciate it. A lot of people are asking me to do the 640 Club. And personally, it's going to take me a little bit because of the fact that I really don't have time. It's starting to rain. But here in a couple videos, I'll give it a shot. Cheers. Thank God we have these trees. Otherwise, I'd be getting sprinkled on right about now. I gotta invest in a tripod, man. It is laziness, but it's from working all day too. Was checking out some King Cobra commercials, old ass 1986 King Cobra commercials. I didn't know it was out for that long. This shit is so good. I tell you, you have to get yourself some. Cheers. Scott Earnshaw, I seen the international chug off. Wow, it's coming out hard now. That was pretty cool, dude. International chug off was awesome. But I seen you were doing it with grenades. I wish that guy from Canada was actually doing, you know, like a 40-ounce Magnum, Colt 45, King Cobra, whatever. So yeah, like I said, work was crazy, and personally, I don't want to do that ever again. But I know it's gonna happen like crazy, should I say? Man, it's raining now. Making an MLV out on a nice day, and like I said, as soon as it rains, it's all downhill from there. Fuck it, we're gonna keep going. Cheers. Look, people are probably driving by like, look at this douchebag sitting in the rain with his camera. Cheers. Oh, it's the next door neighbors, ladies and gentlemen. Next door neighbors. Man, rain's coming down hard now. Let's see if we can do this. I have faith in myself. It's raining. We're gonna do it anyway. Cheer me on and drink a little more. That's Florida Thunder for you, ladies and gentlemen. Well, we're almost done. Almost done. Laziness. So shout out to all the YTDC. Hopefully everybody's doing great. Seriously. Hopefully everybody is doing good. Cheers. We're at the Swill, ladies and gentlemen. Swill. In the rain. Getting soaked right now. But I don't care. Look at this guy. He's like, oh, I gotta get in the house. Alright, everybody. Wet as can be. King Cobra. In a rainstorm or not. Drink some. And love it. Enjoy it. Do whatever you have to do. Do it in weird positions. Do it in different kind of climates and stuff. Cheers. There's door foam, ladies and gentlemen. This has been an E-Tour86 exclusive. Hopefully y'all are having a great day. I'll catch you soon. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. 941 for life, and keep that label out, everybody. Peace. Oop. I can't stop it because it's too wet.